This is what nature is supposed to look like. Green plants, a beautiful river and no trash. But this is what it actually looks like. But today we want to change that and turn this mess into this. Okay, let's get started. Another plastic bottle. Dish soap. Yeah, oh, more or less stay. Not stable. Oh. Shit. Yeah, I went in. That's dumb. Very dumb. Ugh. Yeah, that was stupid. I should have brought my waders. I didn't know it would be that deep. But that's not stopping us. It's only been 2 minutes when I fell in, so yeah, still a lot of trash here to get out, and that's what I'm going to do. A lot of styrofoam, as always. Old tennis ball. And even more styrofoam. This is where I fell in, right here. And I think now I'll use the gripper and not step anywhere near this edge here again. What's that? Some sort of cream. More glass bottles. All right, the next part of the dam is clean. And I think I have to empty out my boot again. There's still some water in it. Another ball. And some kind of molten plastic. And another wine bottle. More hard liquor. And wrappers. Another plastic bottle. Yeah, unfortunately, as always, there's a lot of trash piled up here in this dam. Yeah, really beautiful day today for picking up trash. Have to be careful. I don't wanna step into one of those holes here again. Yeah, there we go. Imagine how beautiful this place would be if it wasn't so full with all those bottles and other trash that people just, yeah, throw into the river, throw into nature. Very sad. Even more bottles here. Whew. More pieces of styrofoam. It's not very interesting today, it's just a regular trash, styrofoam, glass and plastic bottles mostly. But still, it's very sad to see all this trash just thrown into the river here. So unnecessary. And here's one of those plastic stickers that they put on fruit. That's also a completely unnecessary and stupid thing they do. Could have used paper, could have branded that fruit, but they are choosing to use plastic. And here's another one. Come on, there we go. Made it. Nice. Okay. Let's head back over here where I temporarily stored all the trash that I found on the other side over there. And yeah, throw it to the shore. Have to be careful with those things. I don't wanna break any more glass bottles. The last time we cleaned them, unfortunately, we broke some because we threw them and yeah, they landed on other glass bottles and that didn't turn out well. Okay, let's put it here. What's that? Not really sure, but it's plastic and not supposed to be here. Another wine bottle down here. Plastic one. We'll have to see how I'll get those out. I'm not particularly keen on jumping into the water again. Let's see, how stable is that? I'm not sure that this is very stable, but I'll try. I mean, my feet are already wet, so this wouldn't be that bad. Let's see. Oh yeah, I can sit on here. That's good, that's a good idea. This log is very stable. And collect all the trash. That's a good idea, Paul. Very smart. For now, I'll store it here. Get as much out as possible. Come on. Yes, there we go. Another ball. More styrofoam. Another one of those hard liquor bottles. A lot of them here. Alright, this patch over here is looking very clean, but on the other side, even more bottles. I've at least 100 or 200 of those I've already gotten out of the river. They are a very common find. Unfortunately, it's looking pretty good. Now I'll have to very carefully balance myself on this log here, because this is going down very deep and I can't stand on anything here. So I got to be careful. Wants to stay in the river. Yeah. There we go, another bottle out of the river. Alright, I got all the trash that I stored here out to my huge trash pile over there. And yeah, the dam is looking very clean again. That's very nice. What the hell? What the hell? A tube! I think that's a tube from a tractor tire. Ooh, that was large. Okay, so those are all the bottles and styrofoam and all the other trash that we were able to get out from the dam over there. And now it's time to pack everything up and sort the trash between recyclables like those glass bottles, redeemables like this Coke bottle, and all the other general waste. And this is what it looks like. One bag full of glass bottles that I'll bring to a recycling center where they can be turned into new glass bottles. One bag full of general waste, mostly those styrofoam parts and plastic bottles. And 3 redeemable bottles that will get me around 65 cents. It's not much, but if we look at the trash we find here, you can see that the redemption system works. It's mostly unredeemable bottles like wine bottles. So yeah, I think we need more redeemable bottles because this will definitely help keeping the trash out of the river.